AC, baby. And that's all you need for the setup. So all you gotta do for this setup is run the cord that's built into it, plug her in, get your power. And you got your remote here, power right up. Don't have to run an exhaust or anything. They do send you a long tailpipe though, so if you do want to route the exhaust out, you can, which if I had the rainfly on and everything, I would, because the heat does build up a lot over here, even though it's super cool over here, but don't need a sauna on the back end. And within a few seconds, she's ripping cold, boy.